Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Boss in the house. I'm a boss. You're a boss. We are all crypto bosses. That is the aim of this channel, to make all your crypto bosses. Guys, we got another fantastic video for you today. This is part 2. Guys, if you missed out part 1, check it up above at the end of the video, part 1, or search on this channel for how to market an NFT project part 1. So guys, this is amazing value, and I'm so happy to give this information because this information has changed my life. Like you can't beat cash flow. You can't beat cash flow. And no one's gonna come on YouTube and tell you all these things, guys. I'm telling you all my secrets to my agency, that makes me 6 figures a month. But I'm all about giving value back to you guys. You can't beat cash flow. So I've made millions in crypto. This coin got me $1 million, that coin got me 6 figures, that coin got me $1 million. But that money goes fast, guys. It goes fast, to be completely honest with you. That kind of money, especially living out in Dubai, it goes like this. You can't beat cash flow. Cash flow, give me 6 figures cash flow over 5 million. Like, you just can't beat cash flow. Just rather cash flow. Okay, cash flow's key. So having a marketing agency has just opened up so many doors. I can do it, you can do it. But this video is not even about a marketing agency. This is how you can launch your own project. But later on in the video, later on in the channel, I'll start talking about the marketing agent, how to become a marketing agency yourself. Okay? But this video, keep very specifically, we're teaching you guys how to launch an NFT project. So in the first video, part 1, we went through 4 or 5 steps. Okay, the 5th or 6th step is community. Guys, you need to build an amazing community. You might be thinking, obvious, duh. Yeah, okay, cool. But I'm gonna tell you how to build a community. So you need to build hype in your community, guys. You need to build trust as well. So if you're a trusted developer, you're a trusted influencer, all that's gonna help. And if you can bring existing community members over from being an influencer, that's great. If not, you start from fresh. You do 1, you can hire a marketing agency like mine. That's 1. Or 2, you do it yourself. So marketing, go and do Twitter spaces, do giveaways on Twitter, go into other communities, do collabs. There's some big Discord communities. Do collabs, give away whitelist. Just do marketing in general. Pay NFT influencers, and that comes to another point as well, guys. I've spent millions on marketing. As I said, I've helped market so many big projects, millions, and I've wasted money at the start. I've wasted money, guys. To even get to this level, I wasted millions. This is why I'm great at what I do, because every money that I spend for my client is with a genuine good influencer, or it's a great return on investment. Guys, before I used to spend money on celebrities, I spent money on billboards. I even freaking did a $40,000 for my client promo video. But anyway, let's not go there. That was like when I first started. But they sold out and they made money, so you can't say it was bad. But you know, I didn't need all that, right? Okay, so just marketing in general, and keep to influencers, guys. NFT specific influencers. If it's an NFT project, if it's crypto. These 4 platforms are the best in order. Twitter, number 1. Instagram, number 2. TikTok, believe it or not, number 3. So they are focus on those 3 first. All right, focus on those 3. Okay, and obviously you want to push all your traffic to Discord. Okay, so that's marketing, building hype, have a good story. Marketing and hype is everything that we're talking about is part of the hype. So go back to the video number 1 and take everything into consideration. Okay, So on your website as well, make sure your website is optimized for mobile. Sounds so silly, but I've had so many project that came to me yesterday, 2 to 3 days ago. We're doing the marketing, got a 6-figure budget, and their actual website was trash. It wasn't optimized for mobile. Make sure your website is optimized for mobile. Make sure your website is very clear on your mission. As I said in the other video before, I took one company, it's a crypto company, from 0 to 126 mil market cap. And my main value on that project was I simplified their vision. KISS. Keep it super simple. I seen their vision. I didn't understand it. I went to the root of it, understood it myself, then I simplified it. I have a simple mission statement. Make sure that's on your Twitter. Make sure that's on all your socials, on your Discord. Have a simple mission statement and a storyline. Okay? Everybody loves a good story. Everybody loves storytelling. It all goes back to when we was kids, guys. We got told stories as a kid. Anything in life, selling dreams is a story. Just always think of telling stories. Okay? So guys, the last thing is belief. This is just going on to like law of attraction and deep stuff. And just projection, you know, the energy that you give out is the energy you're gonna get. You need to believe in your project. You need to believe that you are going to sell out this project, all right? Isn't this very important thing you're gonna tell you? It's gonna blow your mind. People, clients, customers, you don't need to make them believe in your vision. You don't. You need to make them believe that you believe. All right? Pause, stop the video, and let that one sink in, guys. All right? Rewind if you don't understand it. If you don't understand it, say in the comments, and I'll say it again. I'll bring it up a couple of times, or I'll send you a voice message, hit me up on Instagram or something. Online Boss Mentor. Okay? You've got to make them believe that you believe. Okay? So, belief is so important, guys. You've got to be going into Twitter spaces, and you've got to believe in your project. You've got to believe in your mission statement. You've got to believe in your team. You've got to believe in the dreams that you're selling, guys. Unless give up. If you don't believe, and if you're coming for a money grab, then don't bother. Don't bother waste your time, especially with the market today. Those days of money grabs are over. Might come back in a bull run, you know, and I still wouldn't say don't do money grabs. Like, you can make money the right way, okay? So just have belief in your project. Guys, that is tons of value for you. I love giving you guys value. If you like these videos, usually I just do news, and I'm gonna do news as well. But if you like me giving you guys extra value and helping you guys and teaching you guys the secrets of the trade, secrets of my marketing agency, how I make 6 figures a month, and how you guys can also do that, and how you guys can launch NFT and crypto projects. If you like that, guys, comment, subscribe. Love you all, and I'm so excited to take this channel to 1 million subscribers. It's going to happen because I give you guys pure value, and I'm not here to show you nothing. I'm not paid, I'm not mandated, I'm not taking no bribes, no sponsorships. You can't buy me. This is personal. This is because I've been where you guys have been. You know, I've been poor, I've been struggling, I've been confused, I needed help, and now I'm here to give back. All right then, guys, to the next one.